Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and today we're in front of a beautiful 1950 Chevy Street Rod, all steel, absolutely beautiful car. We're doing this video for you today so you can make a great buying decisions. Where our competitors charge for this video, we do it free of charge so you can make it a great choice on your investment. Coming up, let's take a look at this beautiful Chevy. Under the hood, we have a gorgeous 327 with a Demon Carb, all built, ceramic coated headers, aluminum radiator, HEI ignition, power steering, power front disc brakes. This is one street rod you just have to drive. They're very rare, very hard to come by in this similar condition. Let's drop the hood. We're going to take a look at the beautiful paint, all the chrome trim, take you for a ride. This has awesome chrome everywhere, stainless. I can't believe how much money it costs to do all this. It's got a blemish here on the paint, about 2 inches long. Beautiful straight body panels. Absolute beautiful interior in the whole car. Just a true gem, guys. It's a magnificent vehicle here. The trunk opens right here. You open up the gas cap, pull the lid there. Opens the trunk. Really some cool features in this vehicle. Beautiful black carpeted trunk, once again, and beautiful chrome bumpers. Guys, it costs thousands to do one of these. Don't do it on your own. Buy one done, save tons of money, maybe tweak it to make it yours. Look at this. Beautiful panels, beautiful color. It's got a little bit of checking on the roof in one area. Besides that, it's just a gem. Call Tom today. This vehicle is not going to last at 248-974-9513. Check out this beautiful interior. It's got power windows, all the Dolphin gauges, Dolphin dash mounted RPM gauge, a beautiful skull shifter, beautiful interior, beautiful headliner. You guys, this car is just unbelievable. Call me now. Don't wait. 248-974-9513. Let's go for a ride in this hot little 50. What a fun car to drive. Super awesome street rod. Talk about a head turner. Just awesome, awesome, awesome. Dolphin gauges, power windows, power steering, disc brakes. I mean, the list goes on and on. Don't build one of these. Buy one done. Save yourself a ton of jack. Call Tom today, 248-974-9513. It don't get better than this, guys. It sounds like it even has actually it does have a Pete Jackson gear drive in it. This thing's ready for some cruising. This would be a good road cruise car. Call Tom today at 248-974-9513. Don't forget to go to VanguardMotorsales.com and become social subscribers on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. And also, if you plan on buying a classic car, ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com. Download the 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a car online. My name is Tom Fotios, and we want to thank you for joining us today at Vanguard Motor Sales. And don't be shy to call me for a buy it now on this beautiful 50.